Welcome back. We were trying to connect our register page to the back end, and we're getting a 404 error. So I debugged the hell out of it and still couldn't figure out what was going on. Um, and then I just decided to just restart the computer. Sometimes it's just as simple as that. So I restarted my computer. I figured it was just a glitch. Restarted the computer, ran the same code, and it worked as it was intended. So sometimes if you're debugging and you can't figure out what's going on, all your code looks correct. I don't know why. This is like the second or third time this has happened to me. Just restart your computer um, and see what happens. Sometimes it might just be a glitch in the system or whatever, and it's causing that error. Yeah. So now we're going to register. Um, so let's try it again. We're going to run, going to register Peter. However, we should be getting an error message because if you'll notice, if you remember, in the back end part of it, we do already have peterpan@mail.com already registered. So let's run it and we should have an error message saying user already exists. Okay, um, so now let's do Captain Hook. Okay, let's register Captain Hook. Captain Hook, Captain Hook at mail.com. And there we go. We have successful registration, and it transfer us to our blog, which is what we want. Now we're gonna go and verify that the user is registered. We have Captain Hook, so now we're good to go. So now we are going to start on our login page this time. Um, Wait, let's see something real quick. Component. Let's go to application. We should now have our token. If we go to component, reloading the page, and go what it is that I'm trying to do. Okay, here we go. The token is what we need. That's what I wanted to make sure that it's there. So now that we have the now that we can register, let's do the same thing for our login page. Um, let's go to application and delete this token. We're gonna reload. And now we're in the login page. Perfect. Okay. So now what we're going to do, since the register page and the login page are pretty similar, so here's what we're going to do. We are going to go to the register page. We're going to pretty much copy and paste. Before we do that, I never did add the copyright. So let's create that real quick. So let's go into our source. We're gonna create a file called. We're gonna call that copyright.jsx, and we're gonna add that to a components folder. And it's going to be RFC. Okay. Okay, so RFC, what do we need? We need to import link, actually, link. So this link, we're going to import it from, let me see. Okay, let's import it from Material UI. What else we need? We need typography. Okay. And we are going to return typography. Okay, and in the middle of that, we are going to do copyright. Oh, I loved it. I was actually a little bit nervous about how I'm going to get that little copyright sign, so I'm good. I'm glad it's already there. And now let's do link. And let's keep it like this. And we're going to say, actually, say blog demo. And we're gonna do a new date. Gonna get a date and we're gonna pass the full year. And then we're just gonna add a period. And I believe that's about it. Yeah, this is our copyright. And let's go back to our register. Let's import it. Import copyright component. And then at the very bottom here, after the box, we're gonna put copyright. I'm gonna give it a little bit of styling. I'm gonna give it a margin top of 5. So it's a little bit close. Let's give it 10. I think 10 is beyond the scope of what it could. 8, 4. Okay. Let me see. This box, where are you? This box. Empty. MB. Let's see, 6. Okay. All right. Fair enough. All right. Okay. So. All right. We're gonna stop this video right here. So I guess we're just gonna focus this video. The main focus is the copyright and the debug issue that we had. Next video, what we're going to do is we're going to work on the login page. However, the login page is not going to take as long. I think the register took about like 3 or 4 videos, but the login page is going to be a lot simpler, and most of the work we've already done with our register page. So we're just gonna, the login page is pretty much gonna be the register page on a diet. So I'll see you guys in the next video.